Japan's Bitcoin crackdown. Metaplanet says it's different from the backdoor crowd. Bitcoin. Metaplanet. Japan Exchange Group considers tighter listing rules for crypto treasury companies after steep stock losses sparked investor protection concerns, while Metaplanet defends its governance practices. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. November 13, 2025. Japan Exchange Group is exploring measures to limit listed digital asset treasury companies, citing investor protection concerns as crypto-hoarding stocks suffer steep losses. Tokyo Stock Exchange operator JPX is considering stricter backdoor listing rules and fresh audit requirements for firms pivoting to cryptocurrency accumulation, according to people familiar with the matter who spoke to Bloomberg. 3 listed Japanese companies have shelved plans to buy cryptocurrencies since September, after the JPX warned that their fundraising abilities would be restricted if they pursued crypto strategies. The bourse does not currently have blanket regulations against corporate crypto accumulation but is monitoring companies that raise concerns from a risk and governance perspective. With a view to protecting shareholders and investors, a JPX representative wrote in an email to Bloomberg, "Market tumble draws regulatory scrutiny. Crypto treasury stocks modeled after Michael Saylor's strategy incorporated have collapsed from earlier highs, leaving retail investors with heavy losses. Strategy's shares have roughly halved since mid-July despite the company holding a Bitcoin pile worth over $60 billion. The potential crackdown was sparked by concerns that the recent decline in local digital asset treasury shares has harmed domestic investors. While Hong Kong and other Asia-Pacific exchanges have resisted new digital asset treasury listings, Japan has 15 public Bitcoin buyers, the most in Asia. Tokyo-listed Metaplanet, Japan's largest operator, has plunged over 75% from its mid-June peak after surging 420% earlier in the year. Nail salon operator Convano, which targets 21,000 Bitcoin, is down approximately 60% since late August. Market analysis flagged widespread distress across the sector, with K33 Research reporting that a quarter of all public companies holding Bitcoin now trade at market values below their token holdings. JPX is exploring whether to extend its existing backdoor listing prohibition to companies shifting core operations to crypto accumulation. A backdoor listing typically involves a private company going public through a merger or acquisition, thereby bypassing the normal initial public offering (IPO) process. Metaplanet defends governance approach. Metaplanet CEO Simon Jarovich pushed back against being grouped with firms lacking proper governance. Metaplanet has held 5 general meetings of shareholders over the past approximately 2 years, including 4 extraordinary general meetings of shareholders and 1 ordinary general meeting of shareholders, and has proceeded with all important matters with the approval of shareholders, Jarovich said. He emphasized that these processes have been consistently carried out in accordance with proper procedures under the management team that has continued since before the business transition. Jarovich added. Dylan Leclerc, Metaplanet's head of Bitcoin strategy, noted parallels with the recent shareholder approval requirements for crypto acquisitions by Nasdaq. He pointed out that Strategy quickly clarified that the new Nasdaq policy on forming digital asset treasuries will not impact Strategy, our ATM program, or other capital market activities. Leclerc explained that companies with established governance frameworks that consult shareholders through proper procedures can continue operations without disruption. This regulation targets cases of rapid pivots without shareholder consent, and Bitcoin treasury companies with properly functioning governance were exempt, he said. Financial transformation continues despite volatility. Metaplanet pivoted from hotels in early 2024 and accumulated over 30,000 Bitcoin, making it the world's 4th largest public Bitcoin holder. The company reported a dramatic financial transformation in Q3 2025, posting sales revenue of 4,517 million yen, $29 million, up 1,702% year-over-year, and an ordinary profit of 23,229 million yen, $150 million, after incurring a loss of 311 million yen, $2 million, the previous year. Total assets reached 550,744 million yen, $3.56 billion. By September 30th, driven by Bitcoin holdings valued at 516,360 million yen, $3.33 billion, across current and non-current accounts. The equity ratio also improved to 96.7% from 55.9% at year-end 2024 following warrant exercises and overseas offerings that raised capital stock by 247,462 million yen, $1.60 billion. The company's Bitcoin per fully diluted share reached 0.02148885 BTC, representing approximately a six-fold increase from the 2024 year-end figure. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Wall Street-ready ETFs appear as government shutdown ends. Will XRP finally explode? Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? November 13, 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Macro investor says bull market still alive, but a 70% collapse could follow. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Crypto funds dump BTC and ETH, but pour millions into Solana instead. 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. First U.S. spot XRP ETF launches with $26 million volume in 30 minutes. 7 hours ago, by Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 9 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in for November 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 14 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.